Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little makeup haul. A few days ago Priceline had 40% off all cosmetics, but yes, if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. And please just ignore my hair. Like, I took it out of a bun and it's all like kinky, and I got a haircut the other day and I got a hair dye, and I always go to the same girl, like same girl, always, I always go to her. And she was busy that day and I wanted my hair done that day. Like, when I want something, I just want it, and I want it then and there. Like, I don't like to wait. I have no patience at all. Like, I am so bad. I need to learn some because... Anywho, I got my hair done and the colour is good. I love the colour. But that cut, on the other hand, so she was like a third year. Aren't you supposed to be good on a third year? I don't know, but she wasn't. She cut my hair. This side was fucking shorter than this side. Like, it was like this uneven. I was like, so I kind of just left. Like, I paid and I left, and I was trying to call my mum because I'm like, Mom, help, what do I do? And she wasn't answering because she was at work. So I was like, Dad, what do I do? And he's like, go back and get it fixed. I was like, no, I can't. If I go there, I'm never going to be able to return, and then that means I'm never going to be able to go back to my girl again. So I decided to just go back because I looked in another mirror. Like, I looked in a different mirror just to maybe see like if it was just the mirrors or if I was just wonky, but it wasn't none of those cases. It was uneven, completely uneven. So I went back and I was like, they're like, are you right? I was like, because I knew I was just in there like 10 minutes ago. And then I was like, I don't want to be annoying, but one side's shorter than the other. And they're like, yeah. They're like, come sit down and we'll fix it. I'm like, thank you. I'm like, I'm so sorry to be annoying, but I really don't want to walk around uneven. So that's the story. If you want something, if you have a hairdresser and she is busy or he is busy, please just wait for them. Unless you want to go through my disaster. Just, yeah, next time you'll be waiting and being patient. Now let's get on to the actual video. Oh, I'm sitting on the ground. Did anyone see that? Like, a white shadow just fucking walked past behind me. Oh, Mum. Mum, please come home now. My mum's not home and I'm home by myself and my dog's asleep. And she's not gonna do anything because she's like the size of a rabbit. Okay, well, that's cool. How about we just ignore that and just continue? There it was again! Mum, we gotta move out. We're moving out. Okay, anyway, let's just go with the video. I got a packet of wipes. These are the only wipes I use because I do have sensitive skin. I do have sensitive skin, so I've been using these wipes for like 4 years now, and they are the only wipes I will use. Also, same with the face wash, I only use this brand. I'm too scared to use anything else in case my face like breaks out in like reaction. So yes, just a 2-pack of wipes. Next off, I got the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. I have had this before, I just needed a refill because I'm out. So got my hands on some of that. Next off, I got 2 primers. One of them I already have had and I was obsessed with it. I love it so much. Like, I wear this clubbing and my makeup doesn't move. Everyone's like, what do you use for your makeup? I'm like, it's actually from Priceline and it's really cheap. It's the Maybelline Superstay Primer. Definitely recommend. Next off, everyone has like hyped this up so much. I've never actually been able to get my hands on it, but I finally did. and it is the NYX Angel Veil Primer. Next off are some powders. So first off, two I have already had, just a refill, which is the Australis dying. Still dying from like 3 weeks ago, but it's fine. Is the Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder in the shade Darkest Brown. Yeah. Then again, just my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the shade Transparent. Again, I have been using this stuff for a very long time. Next off, I haven't tried this. It's the Rimmel London Match Perfection Silky Loose Face Powder. Just looks like this, and it's just a loose powder, and I got the colour Transparent. It's literally like half full. Like, can you not be generous and just fill it all the way to the top? This I haven't actually tried, but I'm really excited to. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and it says up to 24-hour foundation in the shade 208 Sun Beige. Yeah, it's just this foundation. I did get this colour for when I'm fake tanned, and if I like it, I'll get one for when I'm not tanned. Next off, I did get the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter, which looks absolutely beautiful. It's a shade 100 Molten Gold. Next off, I got the Australis Liquid Strobe Illuminating Drops in the colour Gold. Next, I have the NYX Pigment Primer. I did want to get the glitter glue, but they didn't actually have it in stock, so my poor little ass missed out. Next, I just have the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 10 Light, just the normal. Next, I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited to use it because I don't have any eyeshadow palettes that have like a lot of colours in them. I'm more like a neutral kind of stay with what I'm used to. But I do need to step out of my comfort zone and try colours, so I'm excited for this. And I've seen Michael Finch use it, so I'm going to try and copy his look. It's the Australis Kaleidoscope eyeshadow palette. And then this is what it looks like. So pretty. I'm excited. Next off, I have 3 of the new NYX glitter pigments. They're just like all shimmery ones. I don't know if you can. This one's like a pink with silver. This one's like a blue, and then this one's just a white shimmery one. I will leave the colours down below. You can't really see them because the light is like gone, which is really annoying. Next off, I just got 3 lip liners. 2 are pretty much identical, just shade difference. So it's the Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liners. See, they're like literally different. One's in the colour 011 Spice, and the other one is in the 080 Blushing Nude. And then the last one I have is from NYX. Really pretty maroon colour. That's in the colour Cherry Skies. So I'm really excited to try that because again, I just like stick to what I know. Oh, the lighting is going. It's like literally gone. Okay. Now I literally look pink because I had to turn the light on. The sun is like gone. It's like dark outside. So we just have to kind of deal with this lighting, I guess. It sucks. Next, I got the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the colour Bedtime Flirt, and it is the colour I'm wearing now. You can't really see because it's fucking dark, but it's just a really pretty nude. And then next off, again from NYX, is the Intense Butter Gloss in the colour Tres Leches, I think. I don't know. There's a fucking fly in here! Go away! There's a fly in here. It's doing my... Lucky my dog's not here. She'd be having a heart attack right now. She's petrified of flies because they're like nearly as big as her. No, really, that was really dramatic, but she's really small. Yeah, again, just another nude. Just got from Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. It's just clear. Also, this is not, that's all from Kmart. Oh, Kmart. Priceline. That's all I got from Priceline. But next I wanted to share with you guys, I have teamed up with lashxotic. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. I'm pretty positive that's how you say it. Yeah, lashxotic. I will leave their Instagram page down below. They have some amazing lashes. If you wanted to purchase any, I have a code for you guys, and it's just Kirsty10, and that will get you 10% off your purchase. They look like this. You can't really see the box, but they are actually like beautiful. That's in the shade, really, Kirsty? Style, Sarah. Then next off I have Jennifer. I think the packaging is really cute too. Like, next I have Nikki. Last off, I'm actually wearing them, is Anna. That fly is really fucking annoying me. Get outside where you belong. Yes, anywho, this is the style Anna. So lastly I have like 3 more things. Again, not from Priceline, nothing to do with lashes. It is from Kmart. So I have one more thing from Kmart. A fucking Priceline. It is just 2 beauty blenders. Came in a pack. Really cute. And then I got these 2 from Kmart. Just some... Did you see the fly? So I got some new beauty blenders, and also I got this little jar because I think it would be really cute to sit my beauty blenders in on my makeup desk. I just thought it would be really cute. Second last thing, little suitcases for my beauty blender. I definitely don't think they're suitcases, but it's a suitcase. It holds my beauty blender. My beauty blender goes inside and it closes up like a suitcase. So little suitcases for my beauty blender. So yes, that is it for this little haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm so sorry about the lighting. Like, it's literally my bedtime outside, but I'm about to go to work and it is 5:55 and I'm working really late tonight. Really late. So yes, it's definitely dark outside, so I had to turn the light on, and now there's like no light on me. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, I nearly killed it. Ew! Yuck! I did not think that through.